Hello and welcome to my channel, and today Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I've got for you another mixed haul. It's got a few bits here. Quite excited about some of this stuff actually, stuff from Aldi. Right, let's start with, shall we start with Aldi? Why not? Got myself a couple of boxes of tissues. These are only about 60p, which is really good value, and I like the little box. I did buy two and I don't know where the other one's gone. I actually went to the Aldi when I was in Leicester, bought myself loads of wine, my favourite wine, and bought 3 packs of these. These are the sensitive baby wipes. I gave my mum a pack actually because she had Dre, and we're still using them for changing him. And then the others, I use these for cleaning our dog's ears out. Yeah, because they're sensitive, they've got no fragrance, and they're really, really good for cleaning dogs' ears out. And also, she's not very well at the moment and her tail's not working anymore. I know I'm sounding quite blasé about that, but every time I talk about it I get upset. She's really poorly. Not too poorly, hopefully, that she's still with us by the time I put this up. But she's having a few issues with, because her tail isn't working. Sometimes when she goes to the loo, it gets in the way. So I've been using these just to wipe the wee off and that sort of thing. So they were 69p a pack. A couple of packs of sweets for Alan. We've gone for a rhubarb custard and a mint humbug. Got some Mentos as well. We love the Mentos from there, but he's already eaten them. Yeah, these are really good, aren't they? These are about 50p a pack. And then whilst I was in there, I just checked out the special buys in the hope of finding some goodies, and yes, I did. So this first one is some mascara, and I was umming and ahhing after I bought it whether to keep it, because it was $5.99, which is quite a bit for a cheap mascara, isn't it? But it's waterproof. My only worry is I had one before, but I don't think it's the same one looking at it. This is the one I've had before. This is the dupe of one of the Benefit ones. And I didn't find it that good, to be honest. I've had better. But this one's a different one, so let's get it out of the pack. That means I'm going to have to keep it. Yeah, I'll keep it. Take it out of the pack. I'm actually talking about doing a review video with another YouTuber, Luisa, who I watch a lot, Beyond Authentic. And we were talking about maybe doing some sort of a mascara, I can't remember what she called it, that we both sort of go up against each other with budget mascaras to find the best ones, you know, sort of how we both got on with them. Because mascaras are quite a personal thing, aren't they? And just because I like it doesn't mean to say you will, and vice versa. Depends on what sort of eyelashes you've got and what you're looking for, whether you want lengthening, volumizing, that sort of thing. Ooh, that is nice. Posh. So, let's have a look at that beauty. I hope it's got a good brush. Yeah, not bad. I reckon that might be okay, actually. I really like the packaging. So, if I've used this by the time I edit, I'll pop you in a comment down below. So, this is the Lacura Larger Than Life Waterproof Mascara. So, just hopped on for this part of the video. This is kindly sponsored by Ana Louisa. Yes, I'm working with them again. I think this is about my 5th time. I've got so much of their jewellery now, it's fabulous. But this time I wanted to go for some bits with initials on. I haven't got any jewellery with initials. So when I spotted these new ones in their collection, I thought, yes, I'm going to have a couple of those. So Ana Louisa are very sustainable, and all their packaging is very environmentally friendly, as well as being carbon neutral when they produce the goodies. So I've got 4 bits of jewellery to show you. The first of which is this beautiful necklace. So it's just a plain gold B. Both sides are just plain gold. And then secondly, I've got this beautiful, I love this, bracelet. And that's got the B as well. But this is actually got like a diamante finish to it. And I'll put links in the description box down below to all of the items that I got. And also, of course, they're giving you a lovely discount. Again, details will be below and in the description box. All the pieces are really well made. The clasps are really good. And believe it or not, with false nails, I've managed to put both of those on. And that's because the clasps are so easy to use. So that's those 2 pieces. So each piece comes in a little wallet. And this next item, I've ordered something in silver. Never had anything in silver from them before. So this is it, my beautiful new necklace. I've got this in gold actually, and I wear this quite a bit. It's got a slightly bigger chain. The links on the chain are sort of a lot bigger than these delicate ones. So if you want something, if you're a bit heavy-handed, or if you wanted something a little bit more chunky, there's this, and like I say, they also do it in gold. And then the fourth piece that I ordered was this lovely gold necklace, this star. I've got a thing about stars, hearts and initials. So now I've got stars, hearts and initials in my jewellery. I'm very, very happy. So thank you, Ana Louisa, for sponsoring that part of the video. And now we'll get back to the rest. Bit of skincare next. So I took a bit of a punt on this. Didn't know if I would like it or not. I absolutely love it. This could be a replacement for my Clinique at a fraction of the price. So it is the Lacura face cream is all it's called. It was only £1.99 and you get 50ml, which is fairly decent. I did think once I opened it, I bet it's one of those with a really high insert that you don't actually get much product, but you do. It's full. I've actually been using it. It's really, really nice. I like it. It's not quite as moisturising as the Clinique one, in that I probably need 2 applications rather than 1. But, you know, the Clinique one I use is about 25 quid. So this is an absolute bargain. And it's fragrance free. It's a really, really nice facial facial cream if you like something a little bit thicker. It's not as thick as the Clinique one, but yeah, it's lovely, and makeup goes over the top of it nicely as well. Not sure on the packaging for that. It's a little bit basic. If anybody knows if this is a dupe of anything, will you drop me in the comments down below? Because I know a lot of their, and same goes with the mascara, because I know a lot of their stuff they do as dupes of other things, other brands. So yeah, absolutely delighted with that. That was, I think that's going to be the find of the haul. And then I thought I'd treat myself to these to give them a go. I don't know why, because I've got so much of this stuff. But yeah, anyway, we've got it. So we've got the Lacura Super Booster Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I don't really use any stuff like this at the minute, and I am a bit wary of it after having all those skin problems, but thinking now I'm getting older, I need a little bit more help. So it's in a little pipette, which we all like. No, fragrance free again. Yeah, I do wonder if anybody's got any experience of these sort of things. Will you drop me a comment down below as to when I'm supposed to put that on? I know it goes on before makeup, but I don't know whether that goes on before your moisturiser or not. So what does this say? Gosh, I think I'm going to need glasses. It's a facial serum that promotes hydrated and smoother looking skin. Oh, here we go. Direction for use. Apply 2 to 3 drops to the face and neck after cleaning. So I presume you can use that before your normal facial moisturiser, day and night. £2.99. And then they also have this, another super booster. And this one is a vitamin C serum. Same price. Oh, this one's not clear. Helps to promote bright and a radiant looking skin. 2 to 3 drops after cleansing. So does it... I think what I might do, I might use that one day and then the other one another day, or maybe use one in the morning, one in the night. I don't want to be putting too much stuff on. Again, if you've got any experience of how often I should be using it, please let me know. Ooh, I was expecting that to be like another clear gel, but it's not. Oh, that smells lovely. Ooh. Only subtle fragrance, but nice. I'm really looking forward to giving those a go. If any of you have used them, let me know what you think of them, if they're any good. I did use a Superdrug vitamin C serum, and I didn't really think much of it, to be honest, so I'm hoping that one's a bit better. Right, just a few little cute bits from Poundland now. I don't know when this video is going up, so hopefully we've not had Easter yet, but we may well have done. Look at this. Just look at this. So I saw this in the Chelmsford Poundland for £1.50, and then in the Lakeside one It was only £1. They had this, the little chick, and a sheep. I may have to get the sheep as well. I love the novelty mugs from Poundland. I'm ending up with quite a collection now. I've got an obsession with mugs at the moment, but that is proper cute. The only thing is with it, they do chip very easily, so hand wash only for that one. But yeah, love that. For another £1, got myself a Dishmatic. This is actually for my dad. So Dad, if you're watching, you're going to end up with this at some point. So I was telling him about this and he was like, oh no, that's going to waste so much washing up liquid. And I said, it's a cleaning revolution, Dad, if you've never had one. Mum and Dad haven't got a dishwasher. They opted not to have one. So I now refuse to do any washing in their house because they could have had that one. And I said, if you don't, I'm not going to do any washing up. I help out with other things, but not that. But they do wash, they hand wash. So I said to Dad, try one of these, let me know what you think. So I'm going to give him that, and I'm going to give him a bottle of dish soap as well, washing up liquid, so he can't complain that he's getting through it too quickly because I've bought it for him. You may have already seen this on another haul. Absolutely love it. I got this from the range for £10. It's a door wreath. So what I wanted to do for spring summer is tart it up with a bit of Easter goodies. So I got from, oh I love these, got from Poundland. Look at these little eggs. So I'm going to somehow try and get them on to that. But looking at it now, I'm thinking it might not actually go. These are a little bit babyish, but I just love them. So the little chicks. So they were £1. And then these other eggs are little animals. So I thought they'd go really nicely on the wreath. They're not necessarily Easter ones, so they could stay all year round, especially liking the bumblebee and the ladybird. So what else? Oh, we've got a butterfly. And what's that one? Not sure what the green one is, but aren't they lovely? And then some sheep. They had loads. They had pigs, chicks, sheep. Yeah, I'm not sure whether I'm going to keep these or whether they're going to work on there or not. I may well do a video when I dress it, but we'll see. I just wanted a few different things to choose from. And then just a pack of 6 plain eggs. They actually come with the ribbons already, so they'll be able to tie on quite easily. So there are the little eggies. And then I also popped into a shop called, somebody said it's pronounced Tigier or something, but I call it Tiger. I think it's a Scandinavian brand. Tiger? I don't know. Anyway, I may take this stuff back because I'm feeling a bit robbed because I went in there before I went in Poundland. And now, give me your thoughts on this. So, these are the eggs from there. £2. So, they were £1, but I'm thinking they're a lot nicer. Aren't they lovely? Yeah, so I've got 3, 6, 9, and they've got in that one 6, but they're different sizes. So yeah, again they've got little ribbons on, so they'll be easy to put on the wreath. I thought I'd put some feathers on. These were £2 as well. You get 8 feathers, pink, green and yellow. Thought that'd be quite nice to sort of the Easter colour. So I might have those sticking out at the top and bottom just to add a bit of colour to it. And then this final thing I may take back because I saw them in Poundland after. Why I didn't buy them in Poundland after, I don't know. But there's this set here. So you paint these yourself, but I wouldn't actually paint these. And they come with little bits of string to attach them. I think the one in Poundland, you actually got the paints with it. But they're for kids to do, aren't they? To make little Easter decorations. But I think they'd look really nice on the wreath, just as plain wood. So you've got Easter eggs, bunnies and chicks. Yeah, but yeah, £3, is that a bit expensive? So if you'd like to see me do the wreath video, please drop it in a comment down below and I'll have a little think about that. Might not be worth it. I know the Christmas one I put loads of stuff on, so I might not put so much on this one. So that's that little haul over. Hope you've enjoyed that one, another little mixed one. So much easier doing these when I get only a few items from each shop and then I can just sort of stick them together. So I'm glad that you enjoy them because otherwise I wouldn't be able to really show you this stuff if I had to wait to do a full haul. So if you've enjoyed it, please do give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.